think it's a really positive day, isn't it, after 10 months of real difficulty and everybody making a real effort against COVID. So this is the first step that feels positive, that we can start to protect our particularly vulnerable patients. It's going to be a slow process, but we will get there.
There's been so much work for this project, and I just got a real pang of just feel really overwhelmed, actually feel really emotional.
All the practice managers particularly, each of them had a role. So one was in charge of the rota, one was in charge of the appointment system, one was in charge of sending invites out. So each of them took on a role, and thereby made my job a lot more easier.
It's a very delicate vaccine. We need to be extremely careful with the handling. There's been hours of training of everyone who's been involved. Everyone was here until late last night having special training, watching videos, going through dry runs, walking through the patient journey. We have to make sure that the patients who are here remain safe and socially distanced, and so all of that is a challenge.
It's amazing, the opportunity that we have got. I just feel privileged to be in this profession, to be honest.
Feels amazing. I was shaking like a leaf on the inside, but for all our elderly and vulnerable people who sacrificed so much over the last months, it's a wonderful feeling to help them take a big step back towards normality and their families.